Hello. The following question was asked in the UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2025. Let's break it down and understand the correct answer in detail. The question is related to direct air capture, or DAC, which is an emerging technology for carbon removal. DAC is a process that extracts carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere using chemical or physical processes. This captured carbon dioxide can either be stored underground or used in a variety of industrial applications. Now let's examine each statement in the question. Statement 1 says, it can be used as a way of carbon sequestration. This is correct. Direct air capture removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and this carbon can be permanently stored in deep geological formations, a process known as carbon sequestration. This is already being done in places like Iceland, where carbon dioxide is mineralized into basalt rock using DAC technology. Statement 2 says, it can be a valuable approach for plastic production and in food processing. This is also correct. Captured carbon dioxide is increasingly being used in the production of plastics such as polycarbonates and polyurethanes. It's also used in the food industry for applications like carbonation of beverages and plant growth in greenhouses. Some DAC companies are already supplying captured carbon for such uses. Statement 3 says, in aviation, it can be a source of carbon for combining with hydrogen to create synthetic low-carbon fuel. This is correct as well. The carbon dioxide captured through DAC can be combined with green hydrogen to create synthetic fuels. These fuels can replace fossil-based aviation fuels and help decarbonize the aviation industry. Companies like Carbon Engineering are already working on this technology. So, all three statements are correct. Hence, the right answer is option C, 1, 2 and 3. In conclusion, carbon capture and sequestration, especially emerging technologies like direct air capture, is a highly relevant and dynamic topic for the UPSC syllabus, especially under environment and sustainable development. In fact, a question on carbon capture was asked in UPSC Prelims 2023. You can find the link to that question in the description. So make sure to understand this topic thoroughly for your preparation. All the best.